Hey, what's up, good people? So my journey continues with just playing with my eyes. I saw a look, I think it was on, I know it was on Instagram, and I think it may have been the Natasha Denona Insta Stories or Insta TV. She did a look that I really liked. I'm trying to pull it up right now because I want to give that Joker a shot. Actually, no, I take it back. It was on Huda's channel. It's a very simple but very glamorous eye, and I really like the way it looked. So I'm going to go in with the Natasha Denona Gold palette, and I'm going to try to recreate this look. I've already primed my eyes, and I have my foundation on. Actually, I have most of my face on, honestly. So I'm going to start with Sandstone, one of the lighter tone colors in the palette, and put this all over the top of my lid. It's a really good palette, honestly. When it first came out, I thought that it was a lot of hype, and I wasn't really feeling it, but then I started using it, and the colors are really great, and they do blend. I do have a dupe video for the teal in the palette, but in general, I'm actually really pleased with my purchase of this palette. Next, I'm going to go in with another shader brush. This is from ColourPop. The other one was from NYX. I'm going to go into a slightly deeper shade. This one is Teak. Just gonna put that on my on the outer edge of here and up into outer edge of my lid and up into the other color. Then I'm gonna go in with a smaller pointed shader brush into the deepest color, or the deepest brown in here, which is Log, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of dimension, deepening my crease. And next, I'm going to go in with a flat brush from Ulta, and I'm going to, let me look at the photo again, I'm going to start with the darkest shimmer in here, which is Varis, I'm not really sure which one that is. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to put it on the outside of my lid. If it will stick with the brush, if it won't, I'll use my finger. Yeah, it's going on. I will go back with my finger and just bring some more of that foil to it. Ooh, look at that. And then next, I'm going to go in with the same brush, and I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to go into Sparks, which intimidates me because it's an intense color. I don't know if you can see this. Can you see that? Not really. It doesn't swatch well, but it's really pretty. I'm hoping I can get it to show up. Yeah, I do like the way that looks. A lot. There we go. Ooh, that's pretty. I wonder what would happen if I wet my finger rather. Yes. Oh, give it to me. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I love that. Oh, I went too high. I went too high. Let me go back with the deeper color, Teak. It's like a sky full of stars. I think that's the name of a song. It's like a sky full of stars. Can you see that? That's gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to try to do it on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and add the same highlight that I have on the high points of my cheekbones on my inner corner. Great. And I'm going to go back and touch up the rest of the colors in this around the edges. So I'm going to go in with Log. And I'm defining my crease with that. I'm also kind of covering up some of the sparkle that got away. Just a little, not a lot. I kind of like the way it spread. Just going back with the very first color, Aria, just to help tone down some of the dark and bring back some of that brown that I liked that was there in the first place. I'm going to go under my lash line with the Teak. then I'm going to follow that up with Aria, just to smooth out. Oh, there's no harsh transition, although this color is really close anyway, but I like adding a little extra just to make sure the transition makes sense. While my lash glue dries, my Dose of Colors lashes, which I think I said before, I love that that's how Dose of Colors started and that you can still get that on their site. I think that's awesome. I'm going with the Fenty Flyliner. I'm not going to do a huge wing. I'm just going to do enough for the lash to, I don't know, sit on, grab onto, whatever. I'm going to go in with the Modern Mandarin blush. A little peachiness. Oh, I love how lifted that looks. There's something about a bright blush that just feels right. It just feels right. Okay, I'm going to go in with the lashes. Alright. One down, one to go. These are lovely lashes. I love these lashes. They're impressive. Just letting those dry. Can probably do my bottom lashes while that happens. And for bottom lashes, I'm going to go in with the Kush mascara very, very carefully and try not to make a mess. And this Kush mascara is by Milk Cosmetics. I mean, hello bottom lashes. Are you ready for that? Let them dry, but this is amazing. I love this mascara. I'm just letting it dry right now and not looking up because I'll make a mess. I love this mascara because it doesn't flake, in my experience. It dries down jet black, and it doesn't dry hard, which is like huge because a lot of the time stuff dries really hard and it's really unattractive and uncomfortable. That's just not what we're looking for. It's fine. I feel like the fallout like multiplied while I wasn't looking. Anyways, today I do have got the collarbones out, so we'll go ahead and we'll do collarbones. Do a little here. That's pretty. And a little over here. Ooh, you see the lighty at that? Ooh, wait, can you see it? Hey, glitter, glitter. Glitter, 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 glitter. Glitter, glitter, glitter. Okay, I'm done. If you were wondering, this is the Marc Jacobs Glitzy highlighter. I think it's a holiday limited item, so if you want it, you better go get it. For lips, I'm going to put on my primer from ColourPop lip primer. Always a winner. And then I'm going to line my lips with the Sephora Auto Pencil. Let's see, it's the Rouge Gel Lip Liner in Molasses. Gonna see how this goes. I tried it on in the store. I thought it was really nice. So let's see if it's just as much of a banger in person. Sorry, okay. My camera cut out. I lined my lips with this liner, this new one for me from Sephora in the color Molasses. It's a Sephora brand liner. It's really, really nice. I go in with something else that's new for me. This is the Smarty Pants lip glass. It's a opaque lip glass in Audible. And this is part of the MAC Girls Palette collection. And this is the one, it's Smarty Pants. And I really like this. It reminds me of Netta. Ooh. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, sis. Yes. Okay. So, this is necklace straight, nose ring straight, hair good, don't have any earrings on. It's all good. Okay. Okay, y'all. This is my finished look. I I really, really like this. I think it looks really good. I like the eyes. There's a lot of, it looks like I almost have a pigment on, but I don't. I'm loving that shade, and I feel like it could be a really great topper. All in all, I think the Natasha Denona palette, it's $129. The colors are banging. The pigment is incredible. If you have it, feel free to spend it. Can you live without it? Yes. But I feel like I probably have a bunch of nudes and a bunch of golds in this collection that are all together, which is pretty convenient, I gotta say. I was thinking about taking it back, honestly, but I think she might stay in the family. I think she might. Anyways, I'm happy with this look. Really like this lip a lot. Might go back and line it a little bit. But anyway, that's it. Ciao for now, guys. See ya. Wait. I'm back. I forgot to tell you to subscribe. Go down to the bottom, like, comment, subscribe, tell me your thoughts, and of course, thank you so much for spending your time with me.